Hey guys, welcome to Art in Context. I'm Demi, and today we're going to run you through the process of how to paint glass bottles, as well as how to best preserve your painting, and other tips and techniques that you can use to create glass bottle paintings. Begin the process by setting up your workspace and gathering your materials. For this tutorial, you'll need a glass bottle, rubbing alcohol or acetone, paint brushes, painting palette, acrylic markers, spray, sealant, or fixative. You can use an acrylic gel medium if you don't have acrylic paints. Here, it is recommended to use acrylic enamel or basic wall paint for your glass bottle painting. This type of paint is designed to dry fast and preserve well with excellent coverage. I've chosen a color palette with white, black, and green. Once all your materials are set up, you can start the process of preparing your glass bottles and jars. You'll simply need hot soapy water and a cloth. Once you've worked through each bottle or jar, you can dry them with a cloth or leave them to dry overnight. You can take it a step further by cleaning them with either rubbing alcohol or acetone. Simply use acetone to clear off any sticky residue or any marks that were previously on the jar. Let's start off by learning how to paint glass bottles by testing your writing skills first on glass. Grab a few jars from the pantry and seat yourself at your workstation. Step 1. Start by holding the jar with your non-writing hand. Find the center and give it your best shot by loosely writing the first label on your glass jar. Step 2. Continue working through each one systematically and then set them aside to dry properly. Step 3. Once dry, you can use a spray sealant, fixative, or varnish to coat and protect your writing. Okay, now let's look at how to create stencils and patterns. This is a great technique to use if you aren't all that skilled with a paintbrush just yet. Step 1. Prepare your stencil by sketching an outline of your design on thick, sturdy paper. Step 2. Cut out your stencil using a sharp craft knife. Press through the paper and work around your outline until the center pops out. This can sometimes take a while, so be patient and consistent with your crafting. Here, I initially used a blunt knife and also made a few mistakes before I was happy with the outcome. Step 3. Test your stencil by experimenting on a scrap piece of paper. Press your stencil to a surface and then use a paintbrush and apply paint by running the brush over the stencil until all gaps are filled. Carefully peel away the stencil, and if you are happy with the outcome, go ahead and test your stencil on a glass jar or bottle. Now let's step into acrylic bottle painting. I've chosen to paint a landscape onto a glass jar with the idea of using it as a glass vase. Step 1. Begin by mixing your acrylic paints. Place your non-writing hand inside the jar and apply your first layer of paint using a wide paintbrush or sponge. Leave it to dry for about 30 minutes. Step 2. Apply the second coat of paint, and possibly even a third if streaks are still visible. Step 3. Mix your next set of acrylic paints according to your desired color palette. Use high contrasting tones and a variety of colors to make your glass bottle or jar really stand out. Step 4. Add details by starting with the front side of your glass. Paint your background layers in first, then allow it to dry properly. Step 5. Turn the glass over and continue adding detail to the opposite facing side. Allow it to dry fully. And there you have it, a glass bottle painting you can use in any way you wish. Thanks so much for stopping by and joining us at Art in Context. Please check out more of our videos and subscribe if you haven't already. Have an awesome day.